guys, my name is Cami and welcome to my video. There is a bonus giveaway question for this video. Let me know what kind of video you want to see. I am doing a list of videos and I'm just wondering, what do you want to see on this channel? Thank you so much for coming to my channel. This is an awesome video. I love making these. This is a giveaway winner video. Here I am announcing the winner of one of my latest giveaways. You guys, I do have a giveaway channel here on YouTube and I'm gonna link that down below just in case you're interested in checking it out. Not everyone has been there. Some people are here at this channel. Some people have only ever been over there, but I'm gonna link it down below because I'm probably in the middle of a giveaway right now. You don't wanna miss it. So for this video, I'm giving away a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This is the Armed and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Wow, the Armed and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette is so pretty. It's got some nudes in there, some browns, some yellows, perfect for the summer and also perfect for the fall. I love using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palettes too, you guys. The Dark Magic one is currently my favorite. Well, it's been my favorite. For this video, you guys, I'm gonna do two shout outs because I forgot to do a shout out in the last video that I posted on this channel and I'm not okay with that. Okay, so the first shout out is coming from Blurina. Blurina says, I'm already a subscriber, huge smiley face, and I hope to win with a heart and heart eyes. Blurina, thank you so much for leaving a comment. You guys, I hope everybody wins one day. Like, I just want to do a giveaway where everybody can get something, like just because you're here, you know what I mean? That would be like such a dream. The second shout out is coming from Sarah Durrani. And Sarah says, your makeup is so beautiful, can't wait. Thank you so much, Sarah, for your very kind words. Sometimes I wonder, is my makeup as nice as I think it is? Or yeah, sometimes you wonder. But thank you so much for your kind words, Sarah. They made me feel really good when I read them because I love makeup. You guys keep commenting and maybe next time your comment will be in the shout out. So in order to win this eyeshadow palette, all you had to do is go ahead and subscribe to this very channel right here. This channel is where I upload most of my giveaway winner videos. And so all you had to do was subscribe to this channel. The winner of this giveaway is Samia. Congratulations, there's information right down below in the description bar. It's gonna tell you exactly how to claim your prize. Wait, remember, you can win the next giveaway. You guys, I still have like way less than like 100,000 subscribers. So like keep commenting, keep watching, let me know that you're here and that you enjoy makeup. All right guys, I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at Cami Stevenson IRL and also on Instagram at Cami's Cosmetics. On Cami's Cosmetics, I usually will update you in stories and let you know like what's going on other than filming YouTube videos. All right guys, I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.